What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're at this beautiful place.
Oh, really? It's actually the Bird Research Center where you're gonna see a lot of birds. Are you ready?
Yep.
Let's go. How many birds do you have here?
Actually, we have the 117.
170.
All are foreign birds.
Okay.
I forgot how you call these birds over there.
Actually, this is the ostrich.
Oh, that's ostrich.
Ostrich. The flightless ostrich is the world's largest bird. Ostriches have 3 stomachs. Ostriches are the fastest runners of any birds or other two-legged animal and can sprint at over 70 kilometers per hour, covering up to 5 meters in a single stride. Ostriches have very small brains. Aw, that's sad.
I want to do a race with them.
You want to do a race with them?
Like you trying to do a race with them. You trying to touch them.
Oh, the dark ones are males. The other one, the light one, is females. Okay.
Here, take them.
Oh, the beautiful ones, yeah. Peacocks.
The peacocks. The peacocks you know are male. Peacocks take years to develop colorful tail feathers. They're the national bird of India. Due to its long-sized feathers, peacocks cannot fly longer distances. However, they can cover short distances.
Guys, you know every animal that are beautiful, those are the boys. And that are not beautiful, those are the girls.
That is not true.
Yeah, you can tell the...
No, that is not true.
Yeah, you can tell her. That's true.
That is not true.
That's true.
You don't like it?
Harlequin macaw. Macaws are one of the world's most colorful birds. They can mimic human speech. Macaws fall in love and stay that way. Oh, that's so cute. Macaws can live for a long time, up to 80 years.
Oh, look at this. Cassowary.
Cassowary. They are descended from dinosaurs. They are flightless birds. They use their casque and claw in self-defense. They are also the world's most dangerous bird because they attack up to 200 people every year. Bad birds. And sometimes they even eat their own poop. Oh no.
Hey guys, do you want to see something really cool? I hope you're not going to bite me. Let's go.
Are you gonna feed them?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. You wanna sit crisscross? Sit criss. Oh, oh my god, look. He just. Your Crocs, don't move. Oh, don't eat that, don't eat that. That's the plastic. Give it to me. No. Give it to me. You don't eat the doggy, come on. Don't eat the doggy.
And now, guys, I'm going to feed the little one. Let's go.
You ready? Let's
Yup.
go. You scared?
Oh my gosh.
MJ, come in. I wanna eat you. I wanna bite you. Go inside. Go. You gotta get in. Oh my god.
There's one on you. Oh, come on, get out. Give it to me. Push it.
Come on, go get it. MJ, don't be scared.
I see. keep them. I'm the king of the birds. The bird feeding is the best part of the park. Hello everyone, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe and like my video. Bye everyone!